Well, hello YouTube world. Back again in front of the holiest of holies. It just rang. I think it might take 5 minutes before it goes again. And I'm gonna sit here probably for the next 5 minutes in this extremely uncomfortable yellow chair and wait and wait and wait and try to capture it for you so you can see how absolutely incredibly annoying this is when it goes off at 7 in the morning and you're trying to sleep off a hangover. It's not super fun, but we're gonna find out together. See you in a couple. That can drive a guy bloody nuts at 7:30 in the morning. And then 5 minutes later, they do it again. Right next to your apartment. So my apartment is here. And the church is here. Only till November.